Hi guys, Professor Rajan Kamath here. Many of you ask me, sir, कि वो result how to interpret that. So I thought let me help you interpret those results. So here is the student का एक sample result I'm taking. So over here you get a minimum passing score, okay, which is this line, and this particular student is below this line. So obviously this particular student has not passed the exam. Okay, so now let me interpret by how many marks the student has not passed the exam. So what I will do over here, I know this vertical line. So this would be 0% marks and this would be 100% marks. But before that, let me give the meaning of the other lines also. This particular line is called as bottom 10 percentile line, which means if this particular student is over here, he is not in the bottom 10 percentile. So although he has not passed the exam, he has failed the exam, but he has not miserably failed the exam. If this particular line would have been somewhere over here, then would have said that this particular guy has miserably failed the exam. Okay, because it is the bottom 10 percentile. So that's like a worst kind of a line. And this is like a top 10 percentile line, which means you are in the topper zone. So in case this person would have been over here, then he would have not just passed the exam, he would have killed the exam, like in the top 10 percentile. Okay, so if you are above this line, then you have passed the exam. If you are above this line, you have killed the exam. If you are below this line, you have failed the exam. And if you are below this line, then you are kind of miserably failed the exam. So if you are above over here, then you get to know that you are in the top 10 percentile. But apart from that, you don't get to know your percentile. You don't get to know your marks also, but you can calculate your marking, estimate your marks like this. So you know this particular point is a 0 percentage point, like you are scored 0%, and this is a 100% wala point. So what you can do is you can measure. So I can't measure on the screen right now, but you can take a scale and then measure the distance between this point and this point. So let me say the complete vertical distance is a 5 centimeter distance. So 5 centimeters corresponds to 100%. 0% to 100% is 100%. Okay, now this particular student is over here. So let me just take this line like this properly. Abhi wo proper nahi hai. And then let me measure this vertical distance. And let's say this vertical distance comes to 3 centimeter. Okay, so 5 centimeter corresponds to 100%. Then 3 centimeter corresponds to what? Just look at cross multiplication. 3 centimeter 100% divided by 5. So you like 60%. So this guy would have scored 60%. Okay, similarly, you can, let's say if you are over here, somewhere over here, then just drag this point over here and then find out, measure the vertical distance. And let's say this vertical distance is 4 centimeter. Then 5 centimeter to 100%, so 4 centimeter would be equal to 80%. So this guy would have scored 80%. Similarly, you can find out two things कि ये वाला जो line है minimum passing score. So from this I can find out कि what is this distance and then apply the same rule. Let's say this complete distance is, let's say 5 centimeters. Then 5 centimeter equal to 100%. Then this particular distance equal to how much? Okay, with that we can be able to calculate the minimum passing score as well as this one. But as you can see, I have not measured because I can't have a printout right now and I can check it. You guys will tell me how much is this distance and how much is the vertical distance and calculate the minimum passing. So, but this time it looks like the midpoint is somewhere over here. Look at this, this is the midpoint, which is 50%. And this one is over here. So it looks like it is around like 70%, something like that. I can say 70% ke aaspas minimum passing score, which is what the minimum passing score has been this time. It has increased considerably. And the gap between these two, if you can see, has decreased. I mean, the toppers and the minimum pass. So by the minimum passing score corresponds to 44 percentile. I mean top 44 percentile. Because this time they have passed 44% of the student, which is actually higher. Generally, they pass around like 40% of the student. This time they have passed 44% of the students. It's a little higher. So this is 44 percentile and this is top 10 percentile. So which means that in this short as a gap, there are 34% of the students, which means those who have done well, they have really done well because 34% of the students are there in this short as a gap. The second, okay, I hope that's clear. You will be able to calculate your marks now. A second thing that you get is something like this. This will simply tell you what are your subject-wise marks. Apart from that, yeah, say you can't say that this particular student has scored very less marks in corporate finance. That's the reason she has failed. Nothing like that. Overall marks matter. There have been like 3 students, jinka marks sheet I have seen, where there were like 3 subjects like this with a bad performance, but the good subjects were like something like this. So overall score matters. This particular graph will not tell you anything about your scores, about about your subject-wise performance. You will get to know, but whether you pass or fail, you will not be able to know from this graph. All right. So please calculate your scores and let me know your scores by looking at this particular distance. Let's say A to B. Okay. So this distance A minus B corresponds to 100%, and then your marks, let's say over here. So C minus B corresponds to what percentage? Okay. And then look at this one also, D, let's say this one. So D minus B correspond to what percentage, and that would be the minimum passing score. I believe somewhere around 70% would be the minimum passing score. All right. Those who are passed, congratulations, and there's many of us who are passed, and I'm very happy about the results. And those who have failed, we'll analyze it and we'll discuss what are the reasons that the reason we couldn't clear, and we'll do it second time. But for those who are passed, the day is ours or the night is ours. So let's congratulate and let's celebrate. Take care, guys.